Hey, is that a payphone?
No, it's a magical payphone.
No, seriously, what is that?
It's a payphone that's magical.
How is that magical?
Allows you to call yourself in the future.
You're telling me that old payphone makes calls to the future?
Yes.
Let me see.
Why would I let you see the future before me?
I don't believe you.
I don't care. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta make a phone call to myself in the future, become a millionaire.
I'll give you $32,000 for it.
Deal.
Time to become a millionaire. Don't buy the payphone! What? Don't buy the payphone! Is this the future me? Yes, but only 10 minutes into the future you. What? You just bought a payphone that only called you 10 minutes into the future. Seriously? Yes, we're idiots, but I blame you. Well, I blame you. Let's not beat each other up. I gotta run, literally. Bye.
Mind if I use the phone real quick?
Run!
What?
Run, you idiot! Roger's about to lose his mind!
Oh, okay, thanks, bye. Hey, hey, come back here. Is that Gina?
Where?
Right there.
That's not Gina.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Dude, that's totally Gina.
That is not Gina.
I'll bet you $100,000 that's Gina.